What's new? For 2018, the A3 receives only minor changes to equipment availability. 2 USB ports and heated front seats are now standard on all A3s, and blind spot monitoring is standard on the Premium Plus trim levels. Trim levels feature Rest 2018 Audi A3 is offered in 4-door sedan and 2-door convertible cabriolet body styles. Both are available with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The trim levels are named Premium, Premium Plus and Prestige in Audi speak, which are listed in order of increasing content. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically comes in multiple versions that are fundamentally similar. The ratings in this review are based on our full test of the 2015 Audi A3 2.0T Quattro Sedan Turbo 2.0 LE94 7-speed dual-clutch automatic Audi. Driving. With 220 HP and 258 pounds-feet of torque, the A3 provides plenty of power to accelerate with purpose, yet still returns good fuel economy figures. Handling is noteworthy, with a direct feel and cornering that's both entertaining and reassuring. Comfort. This is the kind of front seat comfort we've come to expect from larger and more expensive sedans. Furthermore, the A3 manages this without sacrificing performance. The rear seats are cramped, but no more than those of other cars in this class. Interior. Like all Audis, the A3 sports an austere interior design, and that's a good thing. Tasteful aluminum accents, excellent materials quality, and a generous features list make this car feel anything but entry-level.